My hair basa bisa.
Oh.
So my hair basa Felicia.
Enya basa.
My hair basa.
Enya basa. Enya basa. And you me away to him too.
And I'm met to, but as a bear fika, 3-4 months been very few new kakra.
Ade.
Password na intimate for massa.
I don't know how to make your password.
I say password no. I didn't never be brain lam. A bit better than is you.
You so dear.
Maybe I say I check a crab almost 3-4 months, 3-4 years ago. Gave me an dating me so how much not or 10 pounds no yet. Me my uncle here me hear no okuta be phone will be WhatsApp. Edit student nam. The password there. And from massa. From massa.
But what yeah wo. Just so did you out to me that also give me your password.
Now the okopel ho asem.
Aden.
Na Philip between the ama.
David.
Password there from my in some baby. To be any name.
Obayare.
Me know the to me me there.
What I say?
No be
because Diana, if you didn't be who say a normal, me who say normal. And I didn't send baby. Yes, me cheat you. But if you me no be a can send be a who hana and your day. Exactly. If you will be crying, my dear grow be a go on me dear no. Oh, pesa agro. To me, okay. But if you know when you are near home. The password there. A free password, I'm you. Message them I'm a real thing you want to crack. No, I always do girlfriend and I said, "Who can be an no?" What I post? The hormone on Pesa. On Pesa, I'll say, Opesa Shetri. And you on our uncle posting me means my main posting. My media, my mind, I'm posting. Do you believe it's healthy? I believe it's healthy, so it's me posting it across. But it's between the two of you, and you'll be a business. The understanding that Obizu or no more person posting now, yeah, the fan of home in Yama, and no son of Penti Yamano. The on person and so no, and then cause our level no. Maybe a bequer like the Mimia no, I say on social media and they didn't near my social and small corner. No any near my men so now I know my baby come on. Because I mean, feel say posting of girlfriend, boyfriend on social media, only will be any answer, and you'll be responsibility, you'll be an amebo. And the more mommy no money master, Moko posti ko edidi, na actually could go. I think about church and say, no, we're hin, na ye jay, na quite a long story. Quite a long story. Okay, catch the wine. Okay, too much the wine. But me, so I believe, say, I'm talking from experience. Okay. Maybe I make a say I talk from experience. Now, only will be date was don't post me. I believe that the person is doing something underground. And the no credit. So Nipana the boss don't post me. Yeah. Start your investigation. Yes, I didn't know me post you. Yes. And then Onua the bad year. But once I be your communication. Say media make kind say no. Onua say oh, Ofele say Adwuma may any the may no. Say bloggers yes, I be call by brain is animal. No answer small corner. But say Nipana don't post me. I don't like that in this animal. You take picture bomb crowd and send them don't post us together. Obisha. Yeah. Obisha. You should start investigating. So boy catch you say don't post me. And I said don't post us in the same picture. Yes. Don't tag me. Yeah. Obiwo. Be pure picture cry. Okay say mama minimum ma. That's all blog. Go you move you. Yeah. Go you move you social media baby. Pa. Go for your nyama go. E bia boy juba to the extent say who go posting net fire be Piero. Easy. Last, I think last 2 years ago, be one stand by now. Odeti boy is 4. Wow. Odeti boy. Wow. No be so call vacation. Or senior. And girl about a senior. I know post back who post no na boys three no supposed to post no. But for you say maybe the enemy who say a man cheat one, but back so cheat with me. Sound. Yeah. I didn't hear. One say a man to me a so makomem. Well, a man to me who the about me soon near my home, but the way they can recover is very strong and into back so cool. Okay, so cheat you cool. Obet me cheat na uti. Oja tipaye. Obeja tipaye. Obe. But the member recover ntem chen e man recover ntem chen member. A member recover ntem. Because Bearman, once a Bearman to me propose, actual banty, my fan say, when you're broken heart, oh, Charlie Mammy Poby, but Obanti will propose in Chubi and Tana, Sana Muhuna, Sana Matiti. Sana me, from my perspective, Sana Muhunu. When they say Obanti, Bearmape.
and you're common. Okay, like a C, but your percentage wise, hardly most but Kakrabin a well could room with me, sir. And now hardly know about moving on a moving home be milk of free wine, and I will make you Omuma so more and one.
They never look back.
Break up. Bema bet Nakato so Charlie Philly is over. About bet Nakaso, hold on, Nema. Bema Babakas is over, sister, it's over.
It's over, it's over.
It's over, it's over. I bought wasted that to
And most of the time to break up, they be free and wabano. Was I can hold that like months ago.
Yes.
It was okay.
Until now, maybe I make say I don't know who relationship and all the one when you back on air. Any panel attitude, a change in the actions change towards you. Men, someone can say me done 90 or 7 times. No, I started after 3 times. Oh, my busy minute time. One can say to who for sana obi atufo.
Why busy? So when your time anu so.
When one there no. Nti say one kasa o started to who for anti. Time on no be cycling ho be ba na about Abeka is over no. Now so I can say thank you very much.
Because it was nice doing business with you. Thank you so much.
Me say it's over. And baby, why we should now money panty my any day.
Let's say when you're broken hearted, I said Osei count. When you be that.
Broken heart. Me nye bi wole goma.
Sir.
Me so ya how much e washroom ho nyina. Me je ka
say. Let's one na.
Untimi now. Once at the end so more time say si be 8:37 more like on for around few be out is over mon comedy. But by 11:30 12 almost now who be abenya no bra. Sorry be there o.
Time aso.
So be suno. Ntinya agro.
To Obama usun ye.
Mensun bat. On the oti ho no ma oti voice. Say tiemu hey and I say jai. Enti one kasa no voice now better na easy but broken heart in agro. Broken heart are you?
As a man can
be. Me make say enfan can see killer diseases no.
Possible.
Because untimi nidi as when ya malaria kakra join this kakra. Ya yeri bia nyina.
Assorted sickness.
Baby assorted. Broken heart idea. Me ya make say but unya ba konso men trasin komobium. Second time yeah. Me nya ba akono. Na me dey tu me ho say asan. Efri o me nya ebiem. But my date here jai ni ma but me nya ebiem.
Let's say date one door mo te say the door first one na.
Me do mu but so far it says bibia betimi asi. Once I move date here nya aware any anything can happen. And luckily for me so no my other 2 relationship I break it down enye ntokwa. Ba akon ya sorry difference. On say asori bi wo no ma mom prema oba no free mun ko from a different church.
Yeah.
And I mean to me obi a me nka say asori ntino me jama asori abedi wachi. We have to be realistic. Enti no me mpene sa ade no. Enti no bibi sa baaye. And then you say okay everybody should go. Second or half cast. Enti ne papa ebe fana ko outside. And agreement ni say Sadia you nyina relocating ko. Na me to no I have something doing in Ghana. I can't just leave Ghana and go like that. And then it's okay. It's either we go or we break up. I'm say okay fine. Yeah, obi answer be.
Not on one see o.
Oh, no kasan so fine nyen toka. And once more time say nyen toka na mo di break up ah. Bibia you okay bibia.
We are now
we are now for near man.
O ma mutumi check upon each other.
Oh, mutumi check but and so be go close we break. E din sem be beba.
Matias pa, the same be you are not ready for.
And
then drama ni ade.
Oh, hi, it is saying keep the distance. Don't get close because if you are going to be na overcome.
Why you more?
And I didn't journey pa no we fe pa o really unhu e.
Unim de ntia basa no ono obi wo ha won hye dan hu ni yie sa o. Ono obi wo ho no ma.
Chana. Obun se na na ma na shada wagya mi me shada hye me obi hu no ahye kama. No.
Why fly more?
Ndi
wagya obi anu hu da.
Wagya obi anu mi hu da. They make us say a sorry difference. Me no me ho but I don't know. I make us say a sorry untimi nya bibia fa ho. And I mean to me ka say me jai me de maybe I'm a Sunday school engineer dey aba me jai about ho no nti. It had to
because
happen.
normally also ba na ko be ma sorry.
Yeah. I mean put there me believe say the world has changed. Things have evolved. So
to be able to make on sorry.
To be able to make on sorry. It depends on the two of you. And I make us say relationship nye any papa be asem.
They say the youth ni amana ko to say eh ese madam for wait we yensem na makacha madam for na one advice me say is the two of you. If you actually want to pepeni mu ma no na dwuma bia wa experience bi da. No mo too because chale ya age mate ne de obek kan sem say wan he onu kampo na mo no pe. And I say wo wani agi wo mu na wanya no enye ne de. To me there are more times I resort to elderly people who can advise nema. Yeah, your age group no be too for nema. O fa de obetimi afa o my papa na. Now they are support to the penny be too for afa ho no. Yeah. Now they are pushing because
most of the time relationship ko fu bebre no ba mo intumi ngina because obia ne de ye e work man o in different relationship.
Exactly.
Into me fa mba me medium. They will come out and it will work for me.
Into me say motivational books ni nema ba we men kan o. Ono ne de na asem no de a book.
Ono experience na o share.
E bi ho no ma yeah, enema 1 2 bi o mo betimi nya de e ya be kan o de. But mostly no I believe say is the two of you. It's your own issue. What you want to do with your life is the two of you. Understanding should be there, respect should be there, you know, and move along with each other. Maybe say me pay about a jovia. Obi a bit me a diagro asa, you know, make jokes and laugh. Because nya ba could be why the masters. I feel it me trouble my make a kind. Oh, I need the book ya basa ko kan we never me reply. Book tintin o be kan so we week when you all kind you know be ka say until ba no ka say o ba ko be na me say play smart. Me buy me say my kan say okay. Chapter 6 I didn't see.
Hey.
Yeah. You know say no wow be journey because or your book long.
You're not ready for or too serious.
Life they call him. Never chichi we say aboy your bona you have to do and I e bi mu krampo e so mo TV kran so you to me correct you. Oh, we you know this English is this and this one is after better education. Do you understand this word? It has to go with this pronunciation. Because it's a whole lot. I think maturity also counts. If the two of you are very matured, the two of you are very matured. Yeah.
It contributes a lot to the relationship. And maturity is the key.
Yeah.
Not really, but you know.
It's also a very key factor.
A key factor. General Ntatia comedy. How has it been so far?
Make us say so far, so very good. Through we more yetimi nyanya akwanya de tutu kwan akọ.
Pressure. This is a comedy na personal.
Personal. Make I if you cast back as in 5 years ago, enya agro. Obe brands and obi ama oska papa. But once I didn't say, oh start here. It's not easy. Yes, obi metu ya osika kese obi animu. So me dey make the young ones come and they say, don't look at money from the beginning. If you say you want to look at money, you will not be able to stand. Wrong. Until find say, oh yeah, free like sell yourself. I've done things. I made them in one call. No, the next time when they are coming, they know your worth. So now you can price. But I say, I started there, say this flow. I could be on social media. I think Instagram. I bet you. I mean, so you know, Charlie, my skate bear 5 will be and me to me them a brain. I'm say, share 5 pen or a brain. To do 20, 50 crowd. Yeah, to the time that people will start recognizing it.
Because what you might think say your best, maybe and your best to one thing.
So when to me I'm found home and she went because when I started, it wasn't easy. The guy from University of Ghana days when I did my first MTN ad through to MTN Yellow Cafe, Calibos in China. It's been a long journey, and you just have to tell yourself that you are building something. So when you build to a certain level, and you're and that is the trick. But I say, and saying, fame, and don't put it in your mind that you want to become a celebrity. Yeah, we started with I didn't even know. I think one lady, Victoria Lakai, may her soul rest in peace. Legon, level 300. Because you know, you have something unique about the way you do your thing, so take it up. And until I got in a play, Rosam's Universal Robot, I played a role. Obviously, or told your mom, okay. So there's this something that I can really push and do something about. And we've always, you know, been behind and we push more on that. And I mean, I don't, maybe I be doing it. Oh.
Can it be on him so be to me? I recognize. Oh, say this is Jeneral Ntatia.
Names are the cry because a friend is saying Satam social media are too active. Yeah, time I MTN Yellow Cafe. It was huge. Now GTV, but social media are that active in your man. And you have to do to the time out. But the same put the social media likely on move for our post to idea will be at home.
And do you believe that social media has contributed to the craft?
It has.
Craft.
It has a lot because obi o no ma on really opportunity onya. And those days opportunity when you crack set so onya obi am few. So and you be few there social media was say munya mo camera boys girls mo come home boom na mo timi shoot bibi na nyame ado na fa mamo. You are on your own. You are then you push from there. So social media has really contributed a lot. But maybe positive and negative.
Negative.
Yeah,
but positive side,
it's a lot.
And it's really helping people.
A lot.
People have no idea how it's helping people. It's bonding families.
Serious.
Creating jobs.
95.1.
I said eradicating. Right now, correct me by the way. Eradicate.
Oh,
boy.
Only Mario. One pin.
What is that mechanic again?
Oh, they been one pin.
Eradicate. Hey, boy. Producer, try to tell mommy we create eradicating week in eradicating. In a way, I think it's eradicating unemployment. It's not totally there, but a boy, a mouth, never be brave, but a more bibi kakra. What the best sustaining?
Yeah. I think there are a lot of ways that the youth can get into something, and it's something that the make us say if government can really look at it and push towards that entertainment side now. For instance, my production house called the Two Idiot Productions, now PB Entertainment, have something at the National Theatre, your friend Wednesday Theatre. Say we get a group of guys, won't come home together. Like if you'll be a script, to be a group script writer, will be a costume designer, will be me makeup, will be me acting, will be me directing. So when you come home, all you have to do is get a play, rehearse it. The National Theatre and PB Entertainment, Two Idiot Productions, will give you the platform. They will give you the space, light, sound, set design.
Wow.
Come and stage your play. So every last Wednesday in a month, there's something going on at the National Theatre.
Really?
Yeah.
Maintain that.
Just
active
every last Wednesday. The only other last Wednesday be at Tufa National Theatre.
This month,
and Philemeka say Abua. For now, I can confidently say we have like 8 strong production houses. I'm going to make sure one proposal and your contract performing will win it by because different regions to go and perform. Yeah, and it's doing so well. And buying gym even every region be our established and it's becoming consistent. And it's one area so every day I've been pushing say government should look at it and find ways and means to support this beautiful initiative so that it can grow in other regions as well. There are a lot of talents, Philly.
Very.
Maybe they have 1,001 people who are better than General Ntatia. They've not gotten the opportunity. So what am I doing in my little way to help them to also grow? And that's what we sat down and we came up with the Wednesday Theatre and also push it.
Oh, this is beautiful. What project?
Miami project. Or Germany says Dr. So, and we came together. So the name of the production house is Two Idiot Productions. You see, I send in PB Entertainment. So we do all these things, and we are behind together with the National Theatre. Auntie Amy Frimpong, the director of the National Theatre, and then we came out with this beautiful initiative.
This is so impressive. Last Wednesday of every month. Stage play.
Serious one. And you say, young, who said no, these people are really serious.
They have a story to tell.
Yes, they have a story to tell. And other characters are coming in. We pick them and then we also let them join the big production house. They say support production to Clemento Shares or to Foster Romanus, Daniel DeLong, and a host of other big names also there.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Many Japan.
Many
this coming Wednesday, last Wednesday of the month. General Ntatia, how did they come up?
So it didn't simple. General, me believe say any role that you give me, I'm able to play. A comic role, a serious role, a role that I should cry.
So you're general.
Yes, I'm everywhere. General. And I'm Ntatia. Our Bible was a Kwabu Ntatia. Negotiation. Into 2 na makabu.
One hour did the buy and so be
okay, General Ntatia. Guy back or director. Time I was go performing art. So he say me play comic role, another time no say me play serious role. I say, Charlie, you be general, you dey everywhere. And I say, okay, general is someone who is able to enter everywhere and all that. And I'm Ntatia. na me de count.
Oh wow, creative.
Yeah,
creative.
yeah.
General Ntatia. Aside comedy, what you doing?
Aside comedy, no, me a script write. I also teach. I lecture in terms of theater. Oh, me a freelance lecturer. And you know, say maybe a school beating me frame. Sometimes I've done some at the University of Ghana theater department. A lot of times I've also done some collaborations with some German group B, a friend of framework. And anytime be a German for Bebano, any Winneba students, university students in the
Yes, what's a German Kasana?
My car apartment you.
Are they?
Kasano Kana, over done on our refi. I had papa.
Now I so busy.
My try semester, but I saw school, one school, I can't tell you web break.
Sound, and to say tree.
And to say tree, I don't know, on say, you can't bear my miss, and now about miss, friends, bear my mister, or by miss, or more frowing, Miss, and baby into, or about what you using your mother and some crowd are describing.
And I say French Casa.
Aha, some way. But to me, I will never be yeah. Yeah.
And the Miss Mimiaman.
Yes,
and a friend say me the pants or so.
yes, and Yanni.
Where they are about?
Over Saba.
We are doing.
I've had countless opportunities. Who call now for issue? Yeah. Tell you why do you want to go back? Let's stay here. I've often been creating the proposal, but so now because we heard the kind of performance out there, but now, you know, they love that African originality. Into movies be at here, announce stories. You need their family near man now to do the oh yes, Uncle Fan. Oh, I'm to make the proposal. Oh no, can you relocate? Let's do something. Oh no, Muso, theater is such a way say. So Muso theater ba Kuma, the same venue, they can run it for a year. And every month when you come, you see the same play, and every time you have people seeing it.
The same play now.
Yeah, the same play now. Every month.
Change character.
There's one play, be a free title, no, in I think Harry Potter or something. It's been running for so many years, over 15, 16 years. The characters in no be have a place, no more grooming new ones, and it runs every.
And Harry Potter, no, because I don't know so much. And a home alone.
Oh, but a lot of who outside that. One thing I mean, who say they take the theater very serious. For instance, I was in Poland. I mean, who say the Polish theater has about 820 workers just in the theater. And it's so super.
Your national theater now.
National theater now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And a whole theater no is a bit different. Unlike a Hasea who ye player, so I'll compare costume designer, I'll compare light designer, and this my sound designer, and there. All you have to do is get your script, send it to the designers. Obi ankasa or radio story no onim baby or the light because when scene changes will come or costume design or her own antaria actors ni bibia abehye. So they've advanced, and yeah, as a theater no usually and why be you hear a party say Abu White has done a lot, where Latif Abubakar has also done a lot, and support we are doing a lot. Just say we have a long way to go.
But they are trying. They are trying. Long way to go, but sorry, Snankle, Bo White, Mode Bano.
Hey, I say, and you know the Uncle Theatre go because no deny I so one, I also my own so much. So we also have to push out so that the young ones also come in, also get something to stand on. Theatre is a beautiful thing, and when say ye bit who aso ye pa biemu year, I think say we'll have a very beautiful future for the young ones who are coming with the theatre.
I'll say to be big Jina. Their household something that you say it's for us.
Yeah. It's over feeling national theatre in easy. But a butcher say, you know, me a year play, no, I told the tickets no 4 5 months ago. What told go home?
Book ahead.
So book ahead. What told the tickets in now?
But the realizing is say Ghanaians, they are accepting comedy.
Yeah. Oh.
And Timuya comedy. Last time Ojo comedy show They say a whole. Ma and Kofojina but still people were paying to enter. I think since no and Kofo say comedy is not idea also did agro.
They say a band of stand-up comedy no theater. The theater is doing well, the two. But the last time we did Oko then we had a full house, people were standing. When we did Money Heist together with Clemento Shayas also we had a full house, people had to go home. So I think say compared to some time ago, some time ago, no concert party, Kinso concert party, untimi onya national theater.
Debbie.
But I say there,
Sa feeling na, eja komo Santo Mujana hon, I think Safina.
By some back beam.
Because omo ejai sa ne mane no Ghanaians ejai sa ne mane hwe. Akwa se cantata no. Yes. And from a time no omo jai ye. And say na stand up comedy no any theater place in Eba no. Nko for every assign back to the because I go for comedy pa.
Serious. They say they stand up comedy. They only 200 no win the Mika.
And the no matter amount I'm more charging. Still, you have a show.
Into na any about PJ. Ebi or 13. Or the same place. Snap cinema. Baby, I will join any day. No. PJ say also any day. And I always say the support has been massive. And he's also selling tickets, so people should also buy that one and go and support outside the box.
Say no more there will be a month be a comedy show now.
You see the Sunday per se, you know. Every month will be any special. Now I help upbuild the thing more. Now I create media to coin one. Now we also open up for. You see a movie near basketball for any amount be what has here. Boy.
And as I say, so comedians no so any respect power nipa no money.
Yeah.
What's the first? What kind of comedian? No be Jane said. Yeah. I dey say we ube yin sem kwana say. This say be a wo ye near me beach. Let's say you're comedian.
Yes.
But say no.
Because the comedians are very intelligent. Because to stand and get concept, create ideas for people to laugh. Obi onuma ofri fie ba be show no kra no obi edina tem oni energy.
Obi okro beja obi keke.
But it was all who the other can better nipa na manasiri, and it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Now me stand-up comedy. I started stand-up comedy for like almost like a year and year. Now me more like comic acting. And I me stand-up and I become. And entering into stand-up and say, and also it's also a different ball game altogether.
It's a different challenge. Started stand-up now. How has the feeling been?
Oh, make us so far so very good. Almost say one day we bring a bad day. Over Felicia from MP Negro, but so far me I think say it's. Because I took my time. I'm here comic Jeneral Ntatia ni jina no. Aboa me because me ba obiam so Jeneral Ntatia then who say oh to be the affirming no say na me a little bit push. So far me nyanya me bad day. I pray that I don't get any bad day though, but it's also part of the game. You're the best trainer.
You're the best trainer. Then move on. I think I've had my bad days.
Oh, I see.
Kuma time I stand up comedy or basement no.
Oh, why stand up comedy that? Please I'm brain I don't know why. And you grow.
Minjay stand up comedy, but they say no. More squad and more ye.
I said, oh, you buy a bed you.
Oh, when you
oh, buy no bay.
When you
no, brother.
Now, yes, every Thursday of every month.
Oh, I see.
Oh, Kumasi basement.
Wow.
Now to Pamokata,
to Pancata, yeah.
And I'm if you was learning only girls are more on board.
Wow. If you had a switch them,
yeah, that's what
bra. It says so any may be to financial count on it.
My John I say if I want to go back to stand up.
Yeah,
would you know when I walk out to me say, and sometimes now Uncle Fonny Yamba Jin to me now like 5 years, 4 years ago. Then people were still wondering, say, what is she doing? And then oh yes, sir.
Any other breast that time
and Uncle also expected say, oh, comedy also dress some type of way.
Yes, with the chalk for
yeah, and I'm assuming kind of chairman who say, and you was the best in Tina. But the part of the family no so. What I say?
We are to be a
back then, na esri, na say face na sasa. Say no. You won't get comedians. Some of the powder you make.
And they say the stand-up comedians are one of the best dressed, people that you can get.
You will be on person. Lexi. She want kasa. NGO.
Look good and come.
Intim.
Loyalty. Clemento Charles. We are.
Joke about over dynasty. Said no was your address. That's what betonyo.
Oh, I don't know. They're responsible for.
Oh, they're
responsible. I say, be and one.
Onuma said, how responsible you are. Yeah. Oh, say, oh, her comedians now. Nasa, would your character be aging now? Obi or a musician, Uncle Wine.
Obi, a musician. And Kameka say, or a medical.
I didn't tell.
Obi. An American, why am I fan of man? Because Obi is Atawali.
Sir.
Because among the comedians, because Obi as I say, Otimi can't deal without fear.
Okay.
Well, on say if you do baby now, Obi so say make a can we be and we are but Obi goes all out.
I'm not criticizing me.
Obi goes all out.
To Atawali,
comedy. Also Atawali they call Obi. You know this is what I talk.
And Alexi,
Lexi, a sackle.
or you calm.
Yeah, Lexi, calm in a way, no pushing idea, local, because I will be almost that kind of thing.
And a Clemento Charez.
Clement also, Clement, why? Clement, don't shut down who. Sometimes or a wild, sometimes it's cool, sometimes it does. And also on Zubia. Because I also bet me I shut a Clement, once a Clement in a stage on Ferris or Becca, and also say I deal be limiting and some okay. It's comedy.
Because I'm going to meet.
But they be answer me can say in as much as the grounds near here. Yeah, say I deal we make a car. So I think the guys have done well because in as much as they can go all out, they are also very mindful.
Very careful.
Yes.
Very
For instance, I have a very nice joke. Tama your boy president now way, I did a very beautiful joke about it. And will be politicians will be almost because of the way I went about it.
The fact that you are being funny doesn't mean you need to be rude. Be funny in a responsible way.
Exactly.
Do not step on toes.
Oh yeah, Diana. Who say I deal with my limitation where maybe I'm a dream, it's trap, a best say again. So you have to correct yourself and come and say something that will not go overboard.
Because nobody wants to go viral for the wrong reasons.
Exactly. When only my deal.
My being to me passion I on 95.1 FM. Adwuma Adwuma Sunimi General Ntatia and Bon Command pay. We are live on Facebook.
Me I no get 30 billion.
There you way. And kiwe kidia comedians no why who so ojo when who fine boy be
ojo
so a calm fine boy be a obehadwe kaka
yes
and also your why
me cry me why me say dem hu dia me o asa me honjo me honju bi hu me sa on
gasmela ana
kwa me yuji
kwa me John Pekasa o Pekasa
me kasa
o hadwe
who me abeka me Pekasa me betnasi but me comfortable around you obedwane
ane enti unya kwa me John Pekasa
me Pekasa on
debi because I was say unya obi
say me nya obi me di mani hwe mu a patapa
debi family who na because on Pekasa
but you're comfortable on Pekasa
yes
family
no edo beye
and I was where why
Ethiopia because me Pekasa me metinasio Pekasa
o Pekasa obi
me menkasa na meda enti no musicians why na Pekasa girls ladies no omo nyina ye calm e man nyina ampa mo ho asem
sister if you are wild ana
sister if on sheda nya wild
on kasa on
I think say the character enyum character no but aside no
oh yeah cool
you cool eno baroni kran so don't na no kasa wo ba bia Jackie won't na no kasa wo ba bia e man de obi ampa na wasem enyum to form man de obi ampa na wasem
obi a shene corner
ti me man no ko a show business
Miss Bell na o ya no betim kakra na so person ohuru bi sa
e bi agro no pe
opagro
and it's so friendly
yeah
friendly
me ma I don't know
Miss Bell
a time at Sunday school when you rough Miss Bell when you so team ya audio when you papa Miss Bell bet me nya be 70 something
days
I want to know
oh General Ntatia
a time at Sunday school
for real
yeah Pentecost Miss Bell
Tata no boy be 69 no
Debbie say obo o child dey Sunday school sir no be ehun no dimika abi 60
champagne for my
into who the TV is okay saying
no hey Sunday school teacher no yes na say na we share I think so for so many years they share and say share na be introduce me say hey men ka o baby
and o be ka wa no
o maka meka
yeah the check say pa my Miss Bell baby will be a chia no just for nice personality
oh Miss Bell you cool Shiana until weekend you cross oba be here show ni bi yeah national theater for Bernard yeah ontie weekend there's a very nice show that is going to happen at the National Theater title here Father Bernard
This is some of the title never now you're right on the title.
Say they can yeah,
I
and say Father Bernard. And I am soon yes I money heist.
Money heist.
Yes. Inti Obon se Clemento Charles Jinemu, Foster Romano Jinemu, Daniel DeLong Jinemu, Willie Chambers. If what Charlie Jeneral Ntatia so can home. Father Bernard show be we are doing it to educate the youth. Once we want to meet the computer and the phone no do be at them but share ni pano crowd. So we are using the means also to educate people. Father Bernard they buy in Kofua ye niema but people have not really asked themselves say Onua, how would they feel? So we are using the title also to educate people
because
for them to be.
As a video, it wasn't a funny video.
And a funny video, but a funny video.
Yeah.
Yes. And this is what we see when it comes to cyberbullying, you know. And it's maybe a cocoa also name. We can play with things, but sometimes we have to also be mindful of the things that we play with. But Father Bernard, play the educated but you have a lot to laugh about.
You mean about Saturday time being?
Saturday, first show at 4 p.m. and a second show at 8 p.m.
Rating a cool 100 cedis. First show, 4.
Yes. And a second show,
8
p.m.
100 Ghana cedis.
100 Ghana cedis. Father Bernard.
Wow.
That Clemento Shares.
Saturday, 6 May.
Just like 4 days or 5 days.
Yes,
6 May. Yeah. Yanko.
My fight Q no Enconia me Adwuma Theatre on National Theatre.
Yeah.
Father Bernard. Clemento Shares a woman.
Yes.
Foster Romanos a woman. General Ntatia a woman. Just all the funny guys almost represented. It is help us all have a laugh of your life. Yeah, you shouldn't miss this.
Obinsu will crown up so tickets no online or fee. My member code into
you.
star 447 star 1120 hash. Star 447 star 1120 hash. Network tickets no.
Online.
Every network will be with me at all.
With me at all.
Yes.
I mean, ensure me Adwuma Saturday, you know, I will come there in our numbers. Now, I will support craft because they say entertainment is leading everywhere. Entertainment. Do you know, Ntatia, our time is almost over. Me pacho, final words. My
final words. May say Abang say the entertainment industry is one place that we can create employment. And you know, now if it is more theaters that they have to build, more promise and when they ask on city theaters now and push the youth to also get something to do. When it comes to entertainment, now a lot of countries have used to sell and also made employment out of it. And you know, and also to the youth, let's continue to push. We shouldn't give up. But we should believe in ourselves and keep pushing. It will be better. It will be better. It will be better. Don't give up. Keep pushing. I'm gonna have a nice conversation. If you know what conversation, Ed. Say you're very smooth, baby. I'll TV out and say, come on, dear. Man, give it me a 3 hours. I'm rare into also a sermon news for to every 12 o'clock news. From Felicia say, fine girls in your class prefect. Men, did you make the bread when you come the bread? My name is producer and Kwame Jan. Assistant producer Sapo Yo, Sana DJ Y, Robert Edioko Facebook, Don Rich, and Edioko Facebook. Now Robert is supporting ye. Now me Falconia way, so I will shame you for Papaya. Happy Mother's Day in advance. Then you're anti Shelly just saying, me and Shaw Mopan. I dwelling down. Happy Mother's Day in advance. And me, I don't want to never send shape in the sensitive for another 4. Me don't mopa, and ya grow. But I was a medimusia neighbor to us or China. Inti Munina, Mumbaba.